Today we are diving into one of the most iconic American muscle machines ever built, a car that represents raw power, classic design, and the golden era of performance motoring. The 1967 Plymouth GTX in its striking red finish is not just a car, it is a statement of attitude, engineering ambition, and timeless road presence. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you understand why enthusiasts still admire it decades later. This is a machine built when cars were designed to be felt as much as they were driven, and everything about it reflects that philosophy. Standing in front of the 1967 Plymouth GTX, the first thing that grabs your attention is its bold and aggressive stance. The red paint amplifies every curve and edge of the body, making it look alive even when standing still. The long hood stretches forward with purpose, hinting at the beast sitting underneath, while the slightly squared-off rear gives it a muscular and planted look. Chrome accents run along the body in just the right amount, not overwhelming the design but enhancing its classic American muscle identity. The dual headlights up front give it a focused and slightly intimidating face, as if it is always ready to pounce on the road ahead. The GTX badging is subtle but proud, reminding everyone that this is not just any Belvedere-based coupe, but a performance-oriented legend built with intent. Moving along the side profile, the car carries a clean yet powerful silhouette. The fastback-inspired roofline flows smoothly into the rear, giving it a sense of motion even when parked. The proportions are classic late 60s muscle car perfection, long front, short rear deck, and a wide, confident stance. The wheels sit neatly under slightly flared arches, and depending on the configuration, you often see period-correct chrome wheels or steel wheels with hubcaps that complete the vintage look. The red exterior paint looks especially deep under sunlight, revealing subtle reflections that emphasize the car's sculpted bodywork. The door lines are simple but purposeful, reminding us that this car was designed in an era where function and performance dictated form. At the rear, the 1967 GTX continues its bold personality. The taillights are simple yet iconic, arranged in a clean horizontal layout that blends perfectly with the chrome trim. The rear bumper is solid and substantial, reinforcing the car's heavyweight American identity. You will often notice the GTX emblem proudly displayed, almost like a badge of honor. The dual exhausts peek out from beneath the bumper, hinting at the power waiting to be unleashed. In red, the rear view feels even more dramatic, especially when the sunlight hits it, giving it a glowing, almost cinematic presence. Stepping inside the cabin, you are transported to a very different automotive era. The red interior theme in this configuration makes the experience even more special, wrapping the driver in a warm and bold environment. The seats are wide, comfortable, and upholstered in high-quality materials typical of the era, offering a bench-style layout that reminds you this is a true classic. The dashboard is long and straightforward, with a design that prioritizes clarity over complexity. Large analog gauges sit directly in front of the driver, providing essential information in a clean and readable format. The steering wheel is thin-rimmed and elegant, with a large diameter that reflects driving characteristics of the 1960s. Everything inside feels intentional and mechanical. There are no digital distractions, no modern screens, just pure driving focus. The chrome accents inside the cabin match the exterior detailing, creating a cohesive design language. The red interior enhances the sense of occasion every time you sit inside. It feels warm, nostalgic, and slightly dramatic, like stepping into a classic film scene where every drive is an event. Even the door panels are carefully designed, blending simplicity with a touch of luxury that was expected from a premium muscle car of its time. Now, when we talk about the heart of the 1967 Plymouth GTX, we are talking about serious American muscle. Under the hood, this car is famously known for its powerful V8 engine options, including the legendary 440 cubic inch big block. This engine is the soul of the GTX, delivering raw, unfiltered power that defined the muscle car era. The acceleration is aggressive, with a deep, thunderous exhaust note that instantly communicates performance. When you press the throttle, the response is immediate and emotional. It is not just about speed, it is about the experience of controlling something powerful and mechanical. The GTX was engineered to be more than just a straight-line performer, although that is where it truly shines. The torque delivery is immense, making it feel effortless when launching from a standstill or overtaking on open roads. The suspension setup, while firm by modern standards, was tuned to handle the power while still maintaining a level of comfort suitable for long drives. The steering is heavy and connected, giving the driver a strong sense of the road. This is not a car that isolates you from driving, it demands your attention and rewards skill. The sound of the engine is one of its most defining characteristics. At idle, it produces a deep, rhythmic rumble that already suggests power waiting to be unleashed. As the revs climb, the exhaust note grows into a loud, aggressive roar that echoes the spirit of the 1960s muscle car wars. It is the kind of sound that turns heads instantly, even in modern traffic. The combination of power, sound, and mechanical feedback creates an experience that modern cars rarely replicate. When it comes to pricing, the 1967 Plymouth GTX today sits firmly in the classic and collector category. Depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality, prices can vary significantly. A well-maintained or partially restored GTX might be found in the range of around $50,000 to $100,000, while fully restored, numbers matching, high-quality examples can go well beyond that, sometimes reaching into the $150,000 range or more in today's collector market. Rare configurations, original engines, and pristine condition examples command the highest values, especially among dedicated muscle car collectors. The red color, especially when factory correct or professionally restored, can also enhance desirability due to its visual appeal and rarity in certain trims. Owning a car like this is not just about financial value, but emotional and historical value. It represents a time when automotive design was bold, engines were large, and driving was a more visceral experience. The GTX stands as a symbol of that era, and its appreciation in value over the years reflects how much enthusiasts respect its legacy. As we bring everything together, the 1967 Plymouth GTX in red is more than just a classic muscle car. It is a rolling piece of history that captures the essence of American performance culture. From its aggressive exterior styling to its warm and nostalgic interior, from its thunderous V8 power to its rising collector value, every aspect of this car tells a story of ambition and engineering pride. It remains one of those machines that continues to inspire admiration wherever it goes, whether on the road, at a car show, or in a private collection. If you are passionate about classic muscle cars, the GTX is one of those names that deserves respect. It is not just about horsepower or design, it is about the feeling it delivers every time you see it, hear it, or drive it. And that is exactly why it continues to hold its place as one of the most respected machines from the golden era of American automotive history. If you're enjoying content like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more classic car content like this coming your way. Drop a comment below and let me know what car you want to see next.